Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to use this website, the Ixact Contact, a powerful real estate CRM designed to help you manage leads, automate follow-ups, and streamline your business. And if you are a real estate agent looking for an easy way to stay organized, you are in the right place. So first is logging into this account. So the first thing you need to do here is to go to their website, which is www.exactcontact.com, and log in with your credentials there. So if you don't have an account yet, you can try to book a demo or sign up for free trial. And once you are logged in, you will land on the dashboard. So as you can see here, so they have their plan here. So either you want to have an annual plan or a monthly plan. So they need to ask a payment information about you, and just need to fill in all this field. So here on this tutorial, I will be exploring this website. So the dashboard gives you a quick overview of your daily tasks, recent leads, and upcoming follow-up. So you'll find key sections like, for example, contacts, email marketing, calendar, and reports on the left sidebar. Now, after that one, you can add a new contact. So what you need to do here is you just need to click on contacts and then add contact. So here guys, you can enter client details like, for example, name, phone number, or email, and a property preferences. So don't forget guys to categorize them as a buyers, sellers, or either a past clients for better organization. So on automating follow-ups guys, this website helps you stay on top of the follow-ups with automated reminders. So you can go to the keep in touch coach and then set reminders for calls, emails, or even meetings. So you can also create a drip email campaign to nurture leads over time. So on sending email marketing campaigns, so it's a great feature of this website. It's email marketing tool. So you can use pre-designed templates or create your own newsletter and automated campaigns to engage clients. And then once you're done, just simply hit send and the system tracks open rates and engagement. So to stay organized guys, you can use the calendar and then the task manager, and then here you can schedule property showings, meetings, and reminders. So you just need to sync in with Google Calendar for better integration. And on tracking performance reports, if you want to track the progress, you just need to head to the report section and you can view contact engagement, email campaign performance, and lead conversation rates. And that's a wrap guys. This website, the Ixact Contact, is an all-in-one CRM that simplifies your real estate business, helping you stay connected with leads and clients effortlessly. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any question and I'll answer that. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!